Trading is risky. Please read the disclaimer and enjoy the video. Hey guys, this is Mr. Trader, and today we're going to do a flash analysis of the NASDAQ Futures market today. Today is June 24th, 2024, and let's get started. Starting with the weekly time frame, I noted this BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, fair value gap, and I'm expecting it to dig into this fair value gap and then move towards the top side near the end of the week, right? We have a news event coming Tuesday. I expect it to make that dip lower and then on Thursday and Friday to really distribute towards the top side. You know, it might not hit today, right? We might hit this consequent encroachment this week, but yeah, in the future weeks, I'm looking at this as my drawn liquidity. Moving on to the daily time frame, there's not much going on. There's this volume imbalance over here, right? I'm expecting that to be filled, so that's kind of all I see in the daily time frame. Moving on to the 4-hour, I noted this order block over here, which was on Friday, and we made the expansion towards the downside, right? And then we kind of just made a little mess pre-market, but there was no indication towards going towards the top side, right? There was no indication that it was going to be bullish, so this further cements my bias of going short today. Furthermore, you can see that there's this liquidity pool over here, and there's this double bottoms over here. That's prime spot for liquidity. Now, a big jump from the 1-hour time frame to the 5-minute. I couldn't see anything on the 15-minute and 30 minutes, so yeah, there's not much to talk about on the 5-minute. These were really smooth, these highs over here. I marked that out as liquidity in the hopes that, you know, if I see something indicating that we might be bullish in the short term, I could target this as liquidity. So on the 1-minute time frame, we have this opening, we made a move up, and we made a move down towards the low, and we made this fair value gap. We hit the fair value gap, went to the downside, we made another fair value gap along the way, we hit that, we went to the downside, then after that, we made a displacement towards the top side, right? We had this big move here, right, followed by another big move over here, and then we hit this inversion fair value gap. We used this previous fair value gap, an inversion fair value gap, and it hit it. We went up, creating an order block. We hit that perfectly, and we expanded towards the fair value gap over here. Furthermore, on the downside, we're still bearish, right? For Monday and Tuesday. Wanted to see this being supported on the downside, so we hit that, right? This is a low risk buy. Then this is our distribution leg, and this is our second distribution, right? We made this move towards the top, followed by a move down, and then we made an energetic move towards the downside on the second distribution. Price was really clean today on the lower time frames, so I'll be discussing 3 market maker models that I saw, and one I actually did enter on and made a profitable trade, so we can talk about that a little bit more as well. So on the 5-second time frame, I saw this as the consolidation, the accumulation, the manipulation, the distribution, and the redistribution. Obviously, it was towards the downside, and I saw this as the accumulation, but you could have also saw this as the accumulation, right? Whatever works, both would have been fine, right? This could be the manipulation, this could be the accumulation, and this whole category could be consolidation. Either way, you'd be profitable if you had the same bias and the same drawn liquidity over here. Okay, so this is the second fractal, and the second fractal, I actually made a trade on this order block right over here. But to mark out the market maker model, this is the consolidation, this is the accumulation, this is the manipulation, the distribution, and the redistribution, right? I obviously got the second distribution. I had an order block. It had some heat on it, but my stop loss was over here, and I was able to make a profitable trade. Okay, furthermore, we hit this order block, right, perfectly. This is the consolidation, accumulation. You know, this is a little hard to see compared to like this fractal over here, but this is the accumulation, manipulation, the distribution, and the redistribution towards the top side of the fair value gap. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see ya.